Investing in the iShares S&P 500 ETF is a popular way to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market. To get started, you need to understand what an ETF is and how it works. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that is traded on a stock exchange. Like individual stocks, the iShares S&P 500 ETF tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index, which is a basket of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. To invest in the iShares S&P 500 ETF, you will need to open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. This will give you access to a trading platform where you can buy and sell ETFs. Once you have opened your account, you can deposit funds into it, which you can then use to purchase the ETF. When buying the iShares S&P 500 ETF, you can either place a market order or a limit order. A market order will buy the ETF at the current market price, while a limit order will only buy the ETF if it reaches a certain price. It is generally recommended to use a limit order to avoid buying the ETF at an unfavorable price. It is also important to consider the fees associated with investing in the iShares S&P 500 ETF. The ETF has an expense ratio of 0.04%, which means that for every $100 you invest, you will pay 4 cents in fees per year. Additionally, your broker may charge a trading commission, although many brokers now offer commission-free trading. To get the most out of your investment, it is recommended to adopt a long-term approach and invest regularly. This will help you to reduce the impact of market volatility and avoid trying to time the market. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in other asset classes, such as bonds or international stocks. In terms of tax implications, the iShares S&P 500 ETF is subject to capital gains tax, which means that you will pay tax on any profits you make when you sell the ETF. However, if you hold the ETF for more than a year, you will qualify for long-term capital gains tax, which is generally lower than short-term capital gains tax. Overall, investing in the iShares S&P 500 ETF can be a great way to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market and potentially earn long-term returns. By understanding how the ETF works, considering the fees and tax implications, and adopting a long-term approach, you can make an informed investment decision and achieve your financial goals.